that are available to sort of coordinate the work of those folks. So this year there's a much bigger geographic stretch to our grants. The Recycle a Bike folks take old, friendly, wanted bikes off the street, get them into shape to reduce the solid waste stream, and they give them to adults who need to help them get back.
Are you running?
It's a great regional program that's done in a lot of cities, and it's very successful. The second grant is a $5,000 grant to the New York School for the Deaf, which is it's a year-round living classroom
Throw it. Good throw.
Great program for that. The third grant is also a $5,000 grant, and it's Pittsburgh-based. It's Pittsburgh Green Innovators. It's a grain recycling program and an urban garden. Helps bring the community together. There's an education component to it as well. And the final grant, the largest grant this year, is a $10,000 grant that's going to Emory University outside of Atlanta.
You're trying to throw it down the hill. It's not working.
That has both a food program and a water recycling program, and it really helps folks to learn about